Hi, I'm Lokosu Sylvain, and in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you should write a book as an entrepreneur. Many write books to earn royalties and get themselves famous. But in true sense of thing, you have a totally different goal as an entrepreneur. This goal will not replace your ability to earn royalty from your book, but they have 10 to 100 times revenue opportunity compared to royalties and any other way of earning money from your book. When you ask many of entrepreneurs to write books, they tell you about their lack of time to write a book, which is absolutely just another excuse not to write a book. Maybe because they don't know the importance of writing a book as an entrepreneur. When you understand this reason and use them, you will have a minimum of 50 times more than any royalty can give you. So without much ado, let me go straight to the 5 points that many entrepreneurs are using to skyrocket their company and how you too can start using it immediately. The number 1 reason why you should write a book as an entrepreneur is to launch your products or career. If you launch a book today, the book will keep on giving you customers and qualified clients in the next 10 years as long as you are still in that career or that product continue to be available in the market. Of course, when the product is no longer in the market or you have decided to take another career path, you can withdraw this book from the market and make it a personal something or part of your personal archive. So there is no harm in writing a book to launch a career or a product, even if the product have a very short time of relevance. The number 1 reason is to write a book to launch your products or a career. The number 2 reason why you need to write a book is to build your own credibility. Who do you trust? Let's say you have a software company that cater for entrepreneur or those who wants to make money online. The number 1 thing you have to do to let these people know that you understand their pain and your service is the right one or your software is the right one for them to use in solving their problem is one of the very important thing to do. It goes with educating your client about your software and letting them know why getting your software is the best decision they can make. You don't have all the time to sit with these software users one-on-one, but you have the opportunity to share your message in mass if you can write a book to build your credibility why you are the right person to build such software. Even in the next 10 years, as long as your software remain in the market, you will keep on milking qualified customer from that book as long as the book remain in print or remain published. Or you seek for a better position at your place of work, you can write a book to let your superiors or the HR know that you are the right person for the job, because you don't have the opportunity to spit out everything that you know about your topic or the next position that you are seeking for in an interview. But with a book, you can submit it as part of your CV. Guess what? You won't be surprised that the person interviewing you will go through that book or the board will go through that book to make sure that they read it. So you don't have to talk much when you come for the interview. You only express yourself the way you are supposed to express yourself because you have given them all the time to go through your expertise and how you can make that position or working with that company a profit. Write a book to build your own credibility, whether you are an entrepreneur or you are seeking a higher position at your place of work or you seek to get a better job at your dream company. The number 3 reason why you have to write a book as an entrepreneur is to attract investors. If the investors can digest your value or your zeal for that company or that product before you get to pitch your idea to them, the possibility that you are going to get them to sign that check increase drastically. They become more attracted to you and want to do business with you, at least as a person. If the book is well written, the investment deal can even be closed on their mind even before you get to pitch. It is important to write a book if you seek to attract investors to your company. The fourth reason why you have to write a book as an entrepreneur is to attract good employees to your company. No matter how skilled you are, you can't be skilled on every area of running your company. With the availability of opportunity to employees and their freedom to choose which company they work for, writing a book to tell your potential employee about your work environment, the freedom you give to them, and the incentive they get in your work environment can easily attract qualified employees who seek a better working environment to your company. The final reason why you should write a book is to brand your company. This is no longer a secret. So you need to write a book to brand your company. Tell the story of your company, how you began, and every other things that your customer would like to hear about your company. By doing this, they get attracted to your company's brand and they are more easy to patronize any of your products when they are out. So write a book to brand your company. You can also do it for your personal brand. If you don't have a company that you want to brand, or you have a small business that you are not sure of using in the next 15 years, you can brand yourself, because you know that you are going to always be an entrepreneur doing different kind of business, and branding yourself as an entrepreneur and a character that your client should be attracted to is very, very important if they must follow you to anywhere you go, to any career path you choose. So these are the 5 reasons why you have to write a book as an entrepreneur. If this video helped you, please share it with anyone that you know it will help. Comment below, let me know your view about all the reasons I just stated, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it helps me spread this message further and faster. I also teach you on how to make money online opportunities, personal and business growth strategies and tactics. So if that is you, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to comment and like this video.